Good morning children, welcome to Maths class. Today I am going to teach you algebraic identities. Already some of the identities you have studied in 7th standard. Now we will have a quick recap. First let us see what is an identity. Algebraic identities. So first we are going to see what is an identity. An equation which is true for all the variables is called an identity. Now which are the identities now? First we will see a plus b whole squared. So a plus b whole squared can be written as a plus b into a plus b. Already we have studied how to multiply algebraic expressions. Now we are going to multiply this. So a plus b into a plus b. So first we are going to multiply a with a. So a into a is a squared. Now a into b, we get ab. Now we are going to multiply with b. So a into b is again ab. So that already we have the same variables here. So we can write plus ab. Now b into b is b squared. We don't have the term containing b squared, so that should be written separately. Now we are going to add a squared. Here there is no coefficient, so we can write it as 1, and here also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2ab plus b squared. So now a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is the first identity. Now we have already told you identity is true for any variable. So in the place of a we can write any variable, and in the place of b also we can write any variable, and we can write the identity. So if we write a, in the place of a if we write x, and in the place of b if we write y, this can be written as, in the place of a now we should write x. So x squared plus 2, in the place of a we should write x, and in the place of b we can write y, plus in the place of b we should write y now, so y squared. So the same identity we can write for any variable. Now we will see the second identity now. Second identity is a minus b whole squared. Now this can be written as a minus b into a minus b. Same way we have to multiply and find out the answer. So a minus b into a minus b. Now how we should multiply? Now first we should multiply this expression with a. So a into a is a squared. Next we should multiply, we have finished this one. Now we are going to multiply a with b. So a into b is ab, and here we have minus sign, so we have to write minus ab, because here it is plus, so plus into minus is minus. Now we are going to multiply this expression with b. Now we are going to multiply a with minus b, then minus b with b. Now a into minus b, we get minus ab. Already we have the expression containing the same term, so it should be arranged below this. So minus ab, minus into minus is plus. Now if we multiply b and b, we get b squared. So we get b squared now. Now we have to add. So here we will be getting a squared. Here coefficient is 1, here also coefficient is 1. Both are same sign. So if we add, we get minus 2ab and here plus b squared. So a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now third identity is a plus b into a minus b. Again we will multiply and find out the answer. So a plus b into a minus b. So first we are going to multiply a with a into a is a squared. Next we should multiply a and b, a into b is a plus ab. Next b minus b with a we should multiply, so a into b is ab, here we are having minus sign, here we have plus sign, plus into minus is minus. So minus ab, b into b we get b squared, plus into minus is minus. So plus ab minus ab will get cancelled because additive inverse of plus ab is minus ab. So here both will get cancelled. So here we will be getting a squared minus b squared. Here if we cancel it is 0. So this can be written as a squared minus b squared. So a plus b into a minus b is a squared minus b squared. Next fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b. So x plus a into x plus b. Now first we will multiply x with x. So we get x squared. Next we are going to multiply a with x now. So we will get ax. Next we are going to multiply this expression with b. So b into x is bx, we don't have the term. So it should be written separately now. So bx, a into b is ab. So if we add, we will be getting x squared plus ax plus bx plus ab. But here also we have this term also contains x and this term also contains x. So this should be taken as the common factor. So x squared plus x into, now if x is outside the bracket, we will be getting only a inside the bracket. So a plus same way here b. Now we should close the bracket plus ab. So this is the fourth identity. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. This also can be written as x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these are the basic identities. Now we shall do the sums based on these identities. Now expand. First sum is 3x plus 5 whole squared second sum is 98 squared. Third sum is 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3. Then fourth sum is 4p squared minus 25q squared. Now we shall use the identity and find out the answer for this. Now first one is 3x plus 5 whole squared. Before doing the sum, first we should find out which identity we have to use. Here we have plus sign and we are having two terms. So all the four identities, which this is of which form now we have to use? This is of which form? A plus b whole squared. So a plus b whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now we have to compare. In the place of a we have 3x. So in the place of a we have 3x. In the place of b we have 5. Now we have to replace. In the place of a we have to replace 3x and in the place of b we have to replace 5. So now 3x plus 5 whole squared is equal to, in the place of a we have to write 3x. 3x, here we are having one constant and one variable. So it is not enough if you put squared, we have to put whole squared plus 2 into 2, here we are having, so same 2 we should write. In the place of a we have to replace 3x. So 3x. In the place of b we should write 5 plus b squared. In the place of b we should write 5. So 5 squared. So now 3x whole squared. So 3 also we have to square, x also we have to square. 3 squared is 3 into 3 9 and x squared is x squared. So this is 9x squared plus, now all this is one term, so we have to multiply one expression. So 2 3s are 6, 6 into 5 30. So 30x plus 5 squared is 5 into 5, 5 squared is 5 into 5 25. So this is the answer for the first one. Now next we will do the second sum, that is 98 squared. So 98 squared we have to use identity and do, so we should not multiply 98 into 98. 98 can be written as 100 minus 2 whole squared. We all know 100 minus 2 is 98. Here squared is there. So whole squared we should write. Now this is of which form now? A minus b whole squared. Here two terms we are having with minus sign. So we have to use this identity. Now a minus b whole squared, you should be thorough with the identities. So a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now we should find out, we should compare and find out in the place of a what we have. Now in the place of a we are having 100 and in the place of b we have 2. So in this identity we have to replace 100 in the place of a and 2 in the place of b. So now 100 minus 2 whole squared is equal to, we have a squared. So in the place of a we should write 100. So 100 squared minus, here minus is there, so same minus 2ab. What is the meaning of 2ab? 2 into a into b. So 2 into, or we can put the bracket. In the place of a we should write 100. In the place of b we should write 2 plus b squared, that is 2 squared. Now 100 squared is 100 into 100. that is 10,000, 4 zeros. Write 1 and after that 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now multiply all this. 2 into 100 is 200. 200 into 2 is 400. Plus 2 squared is 2 into 2, that is 4. Now here this and this are plus sign. So we will first add these two. From that answer we have to subtract 400. So now 10,000 plus 4. 4, 0, 0, 0, 1. So 10,004, from that we should subtract 400. So 4, 0. Now we should borrow from 1. So this is 0. Here we will get 10. Now this becomes 9 and this is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 and here we will get 9. So we get 9,604. So using the identity, this is how we have to expand and find out the answer. Now we shall do the third sum. So 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3. In the first sum, we were having only two terms with squared, but here we are having two brackets. In this first term is same but the second one is different. So which identity we have to use? This is of the form x plus a into x plus b. Here x is same, so first term is same in both the brackets, but the second term differs. Here we have a, here we have b. Same way second term we are having minus 1 here and here we are having minus 3. So we have to use this identity. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we should compare. In the place of x we are having 2n. Here x first term in the bracket. Now in the place of a, see the first bracket, now we are having minus 1. And in the place of b we have to see the second bracket, second term is minus 3. Now in this identity we have to replace 2n in the place of x, minus 1 in the place of a and minus 3 in the place of b. So 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 is equal to x squared. So in the place of x what we have? 2n. So 2n, here also one constant, one variable. So we have to put whole squared plus a plus b. In the place of a we have minus 1 plus in the place of b we have minus 3. Because minus sign plus sign, so to separate we are putting the bracket. Now in the place of x again we have to write 2n plus what is the mean of a into b. So minus 1 into minus 3. Now 2n whole squared. 2n whole squared means 2 squared and also n squared. 2 squared is 4 and n squared. So here we will be getting 4n squared. Now both are minus sign, same sign should be added. So minus 1 minus 3 we get minus 4. So minus 4 into 2n plus here we should multiply, minus into minus is plus, 1 3 is 3. I hope this one you are able to understand. Minus 1 and minus 3 we have to multiply, minus into minus is plus, 1 3 is 3. Now here 4n squared. Now again this we have to multiply, minus into, here no sign so it is plus, minus into plus is minus, 4 2s are 8 and here we are having n. plus 3. So answer is 4n squared minus 8n plus 3. So in the if we are having two brackets, and in the bracket if the first term is same and the second term is different, we have to use x plus a into x plus b, this identity. Now we will do the fourth sum. So 4p squared minus 25q squared. Now just to recall, which is the identity having both terms squared? Identity is a squared minus b squared. Now for this, what is the identity? A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now this 4p squared minus 25q squared. Here we are having squared only for p. The 4 also should be written as the square, a number squared. So which number squared is 4? 2 squared is 4. So 4 is equal to 2 squared, and 25 is 5 squared. So this can be written as 2p whole squared. So this should be written as the square number. Same way 25 should be written as the square number. So we will write 5q whole squared. So this is actually 2 squared p squared. So 5 squared q squared. So now together we are putting the square. So this can be written as 2p whole squared minus 5q whole squared is equal to, now just to compare, in the place of a what we have? In the place of a we are having 2p, and in the place of b we are having 5q. Just to see the identity and compare, this one is a squared and this one is b squared. So in the place of b we are having 5q, in the place of a we have 2p. So a is equal to 2p and b is equal to 5q. Now we will find out the answer for this. So 2p squared minus 5q whole squared is equal to a plus b. In the place of a we have 2p, in the place of b we have 5q. So we have written a plus b, and next one we should write a minus b. In the place of a we should write 2p, in the place of b we should write 5q, but here we have minus sign. So minus 5q. So if both the terms are in square with minus sign, we have to use a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So all the 4 identities with you have to by heart, only then you can use it for doing the sums. Thank you boys.